Yo, what's going on YouTube? Sorry, just tried a new intro, but so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to build the helicopter I showed you in the other video. In the Timmy's Creations video. So Timmyterminator, that's me. Back at you with the collector's channel. And I'm gonna show you how to build a helicopter. So I'm gonna delete it. And here we have a little picture of it so we know how it looks like. So we're gonna start with, So we're gonna start with the metal bricks and make a little lightning bolt shape like that. Now we're gonna make like this kind of a 2x2 square and basically put it over here. So it should look like this. Now put the brick on top. Now we have this simple shape. So now you want to take the V8 engines. It looks like this for you. And also the metal bars look like that for you. Anything you want. I just like to use this one. So take the V8 and put it like this. Very simple. Make the lightning bolt and the one on the top. Now take the fans, put them like this. This is not gonna be sideways, it's gonna be upwards, like that. And now take these, the little propellers, and put them like this. On top, and one down here, one here, and one here, I think. Yes, looks correct. Now take the big propeller and put it on top. And then the last thing we're gonna do is put in the pig right there. And congratulations, you just built a helicopter. Do keep in mind that you may customize this helicopter in any way you want. Like you want wheels, put wheels on. You don't like wheels, take wheels off. You want two big propellers, do that. You want a big propeller on, do that. You can do anything you want with this helicopter. I just need to show you how to build the basic helicopter. No customization, like just the basic helicopter. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe so we can grow on this small content channel, making videos with my friends. And now you guys in this video, keep in mind that this big propeller, without it working, it will fall. So also, I also need to show you the mode. Oh, sorry. I'm going to start with the back. And then you want to turn this on and then turn on the front. Basically, this is forward. I think this is just wide, just upward. This is safe. So, upward. Oh no. This is slowly downwards. This is fast downwards. And bye guys. Comment your favorite moment. Please like the video if this was helpful. Comment basically anything you want. Please, nothing offensive. But thank you guys. I hope this was a good video. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing, and you can always unsubscribe. But just, we'll see you guys in the next video. See you later. Timmyterminator out.